Well, the excitement is mounting as we get the finishing touches on the steels. There's a few more to put in. I was walking around and I saw some that were maybe missing, or maybe they were leaving it for the last, but they're gonna go in now. Wow, it's so beautiful. What a beautiful level. And look at the steel. Can you imagine how strong this roof is going to be? And here we have, this is for the water to go. And there's one there, and there, there's one over here. This is a 4-inch one. I've got a lot of them because when it rains hard here, it's unrelentless, and it can just, you gotta have so many ways for the water to escape a flat roof. Not like in Canada where it would cover in snow and then be totally useless for 8 months of the year. Everybody's working very hard now. We don't know when the crane's coming or when the cement trucks are coming, but we know that they're coming, and they're coming together. So there isn't going to be a crane sitting around waiting for a cement truck, and there's not going to be a cement truck waiting around for a crane. Okay, bye for now.